Hi, this is DIY Manual. For this video, we are going to change a light bulb together. The way you will approach this will depend on whether your bulb have a bayonet, screw, or push and twist fitting. For this video, our bulb will have a screw fitting. Step 1. Make sure to turn off the power switch. Never attempt to change a light bulb with the power still connected. Remember, safety first. Step 2. Allow the bulb to cool down. Remember that incandescent light bulb runs very hot, so make sure you give them a chance to cool down before you start touching it. Now, if you're using an LED light bulb, they produce very little or no heat, so you can proceed as needed. Step 3. Use a stable ladder. Do not use any unstable objects such as computer chairs with wheels to prevent injury from falling. Step 4. Remove the old bulb. Gently twist the bulb counterclockwise until it comes out. And since you're already up there, use a rag to clean up the area. Step 5. Insert your replacement bulb. Firmly push the bulb into the socket and turn clockwise until you feel it lock into place. Step 6. Turn the power switch on and make sure that the new bulb works. Step 7. Package your old light bulb and dispose it responsibly. And for the bonus step, if you find this video helpful, please click the subscribe button. Thank you.